Tonight, a student from a Lexington high school faces charges after investigators say he brought a gun and ammunition to school.
The school alerted parents to the situation late this afternoon. Jordan Valines talked to the principal about the investigation in a story that's first on Fox.
We're told it was just before 2:30 on Wednesday afternoon when a student here at Dunbar High School spotted a gun inside of another student's backpack, and shortly after that, police were called.
Law enforcement went to the room and took the student into custody.
The high school student was arrested after police found an unloaded gun and ammunition inside of his backpack. While the student's motive for bringing the gun into school is still unknown, the principal says she's simply relieved that a situation as serious as this one was brought to their attention.
Very glad that the student stepped forward and said something. They don't want anything bad to happen, and they will report if they see something going on.
Less than an hour after the gun was discovered,
I have kids too, and I would want to know.
An email was sent out to parents informing them of exactly what happened.
I want all of our parents to know that we are on top of it and we're handling it as quickly, aggressively as possible.
As the investigation into this incident continues, the principal says school will resume as usual on Thursday. The principal said that the student will be facing serious administrative consequences, but she could not elaborate on exactly what those consequences will be. In Lexington, Jordan Valines for the Fox 56 10 o'clock news.